Ladies and gentlemen, let's put our hands together to welcome the Yimkhiung cultural troupe. This is all about traditional way of clearing agricultural land. Our forefathers used to make a traditional umbrella using a bamboo straw to protect themselves from the sun and rain while clearing the jungle and weeding the field. This song is sung to boost their energy to work. The farmer used to sing a song in group while working under the sun. During the break time in the fields, locally brewed rice beers were also served in bamboo mugs.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for the Yimkhiung cultural troupe. Up next, we have the Cookie cultural troupe.